Thanks for coming to Circle Time today. Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job! I'm happy to see you today. Let's sing our days of the week and we'll stomp our feet together. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, let's sing our months. Everybody stand up and get ready to do our month dance. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, it's time to count. I have my pointer stick ready. We'll start with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and today is number 8. Great job. Thanks for counting along. Okay, that's all done. Circle time, so let's get our circles ready. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play. Bye friends, I'll see you tomorrow.